Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast with a bit of scattered clouds over the western parts of the country. This suppressed the occurrence of frost across much of the country. It was rather cool in the morning but became warmer by afternoon, and this is the cloud system that was over the west, which is drifting eastwards across the country. So by tomorrow we're expecting it more over the Mashonaland provinces, but for tonight it was over muchly the Midlands province. As we're expecting rather cool conditions because of that system that is sweeping across westwards. It will be rather mild along the Zambezi Valley, with the Bulawayo projected to be mostly sunny and warmer as we get into tomorrow, as the cloud is also breaking over those western parts of the country. And we're expecting our maximums to also slightly increase as we get into the weekend, where we're projecting 24 for Bulawayo as we get into Friday, but the minimums falling slightly to about 9 degrees Celsius. Matopo is also expecting a bit of frost on Friday, but our maximum slightly increasing as the cloud breaks. And same for Gwanda, we're expecting more of the sunny skies for much of this week with warm afternoon conditions. For Gweru, we're expecting our minimums to plunge just a little bit, about 7 degrees projected for Friday. And for Masvingo, we're expecting cooler conditions as we get into Friday as well, because of that deficit of moisture. For Nyanga, we're expecting just brief cloud periods tomorrow as that system would have drifted westwards, and we're expecting more of the sunny skies as we get into the weekend. Marondera also following suit with brief cloudy periods here and there, but it should be rather cold in the morning. And for Harare, we're expecting that temperature decline in terms of our minimum as we get into Friday. Same for Kwekwe, we're expecting 9s and 8s as we get into the weekend, but by afternoon it should be warm as well. Karuma expecting warmer conditions as we get towards the weekend. Same for Chinhoyi, we're expecting the clouds to have broken and we're expecting more of the sunny skies. And for Victoria Falls, we're expecting warm conditions by afternoon and very cool conditions in the morning. Same for Lupane, we're expecting a few 11s, but it drops to about 9 on Friday with more sunny skies. For Bindura, we're expecting a brief cloudy periods tomorrow, but as we get into the weekend, it's mostly sunny conditions. For Kariba, we're expecting mild conditions in the morning, but it becomes warmer by afternoon. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Kama Jr. for the Met Department.